phone with the phone on his left thigh. A silver van. I didn't see the phone, but I saw his hand and his attention down on his thigh. And his hand was covering his thigh in a way that would also cover a phone. Yes, he's on the phone. He's holding up in his right hand to his right ear with a little gap as though he's on speakerphone. Put it down again. Phone is on his left thigh. Hi, you're parked up here, are you?
Sorry?
You're parked here, are you?
No, I'm not.
But you're using your phone and your phone's lit up.
I just put in the
and I saw you talking to it back there.
Huh?
Do you know what this is?
That's a camera, it's a camera.
I'm going to report it to the police.
That's fine.
Carry on.
That's not a problem. I'm not talking on the phone.
It doesn't matter, you were using it, it's lit up. How am I going to cut in there when I'm moving at this pace?